Ruciini rwa tene themwe itigitie andu a nyumba na arata a Mutigairi uria urari ngavana wa kaunti ya Nyeri Nderitu Gacagua ni megwikinyitie muciini wa Leaf Funeral kwiyira mwiri wake. Imwe kwemwe muthabara wa ngari wanyita barabara nene ya Thika o nginya itura-ini ria Hiriga Karatina kaunti-ini ya Nyeri. Hindi ya igongona ria mathiko andu a nyumba yake ni mamuririkanire na njira ya mwanya makiria.
I met my husband 39 years ago. Immediately he graduated from the University of Nairobi. He gave me the experience to truly being cared for, supported and completely loved.
These 2 last months that I spent with James in London before he left me to be with the Lord were very special, and I will cherish them forever.
Nao ario na ari ake mamutambura ta njamba ya mucii wao iria iraigananitie wendo kuri ciana ciake ciothe.
My dad's illness didn't teach me anything I wanted to know about dying, but it taught me absolutely everything about living. Let us not live in the past or the future, but live for the present moment, which is now.
Suffice to say, I'm feeling a little lost and confused today. They say I have to say goodbye, but I can't bring myself to. I see you in so many things, Dad, and I feel your presence everywhere.
Nake mũrũ wa nyina Rigathi Gacagua na uria mararutithanagia wira na urumwe ni atariirie uria aramutirithirie thiku cia muthia mari London o nginya rugendo rwake rurakinya muthia. Rigathi augite agutigirira ni ahingia maundu maria marang'ung'uanire na mũrũ wa nyina ari gitanda-ini gia thibitari atanahuruka.
Although this man has been sick, he has done a lot, and they were saying we are going to elect him from his bedside. Abaitoma kiuga uyu ngai ararega nake niwe turarega nake katugo maugire.
Nao arata ake mamuririkanite ta mundu urari kio kinene undu uria wothe ambiriria aratigagirira ni wahinga. Igongona ria mathiko ritongoririo ni atungatiri a kanitha wa PCA kuria Gacagua arathomaga. Mahinda-ini ma thaa 11 nirio Mutigairi Nderitu Gacagua ahurukirio itura-ini ria Hiriga o hakuhi na mbirira ya ithe o toria arendire ari muoyo.
Kiume wote wa jamii hiyo.
Nderitu Gacagua arari ngavana wa mbere wa kaunti ya Nyeri na ahuruka ari na ukuru wa miaka 64 ngiribotera Inooro TV getwo Karo Kinyugo Mwaura.